आयज ह्या सुवातेर 75 वर्सां पयलीं ज्या भुमिपुत्रांनी हो दीस आमकां दाखोवपाक आपले सर्वस्व बलिदान केले तांकां सलाम करून हांव माननीय श्री मायकल लोबो हांच्या लागीं मागता की तांणी ध्वजारोहण करचें. ध्वजारोहण जातकच राष्ट्रगीत गावपी पथक आसा जनता हायस्कूल. माफ करात, राष्ट्रगीत गावपी पथक आसा ज्ञान प्रसारक विद्यालय.
राष्ट्रध्वज को सलामी देगा. राष्ट्रीय सलूट सलामी चक.
आपली ताकद आणि जबाबदारीचे प्रदर्शन करपाक आयच्या संचालनान भाग घेवपी आसा आमचे म्हापशाचे पोलीस स्थानक. आणि बँड जावन आसा जनता हायस्कूल.
यहाँ पे परेड का निरीक्षण समाप्त होता है. परेड मार्च करने की अनुमति चाहता हूँ. विनोद उनमें देने चलेंगे. देने बट
आयच्या या 75व्या स्वातंत्र्य दिसाच्या सुवातेर हांव मानादीक विज्ञान आनी तंत्रगिन्यान मंत्री श्री मायकल लोबो हांच्या लागीं मागता की तांणी 2 उतरां उलोवचीं. सगळ्यांनी बसून घेवचें.
My dear colleague in Legislative Assembly, Sri Joshua D'Souza, Mapsa Municipal Council, all the councillors, Additional Collector, Sri Mahadev Arondekar, Deputy Collector Sri Asgaonkar, Mamladar Puttikar, BDO, Mapsa Municipal, other members, my friends from the media, and all students who are present over here, and my fellow Goans. On this auspicious occasion of the 75th Independence Day, I would like to foremost extend a warm welcome and heartfelt wishes to my fellow countrymen. Today's dawn has brought a new spirit, a new enthusiasm, a new zeal as we mark 75 years of independence. With this new spirit, we move ahead, overcoming the second wave of COVID-19, and also at the same time we rejoice the great achievements of our sportsmen at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. I take pride in congratulating the new young talent who have achieved great heights in the field of sports. This Independence Day holds a lot of importance, not only as it marks this 75th year as an independent nation, but also because we came together as a nation to fight against the second wave of COVID-19. Today, while celebrating this Independence Day, we stand united and determined to overcome this pandemic. Over the past 74 years, our nation has climbed several hurdles and prospered in all fields as one nation. Under the leadership of our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Ji Modi, our country has truly emerged as a world leader and as a true democratic nation. And also his leadership, under his leadership, we are taking giant strides in science, education, health, sports and various other fields. I take this opportunity to salute our freedom fighters who have sacrificed their lives to foresee an independent India. Also take this opportunity to salute all the doctors, administrative officers, healthcare workers and other COVID warriors who helped us to fight the second wave of COVID pandemic. Under the young and dynamic leadership of our Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, Goa is marching towards a Swaympurna Goa. I congratulate him and my colleagues for successfully battling the COVID-19 pandemic, and I also share the grief with the families of those who have lost their near and dear ones. In spite of all odds, our government has not stopped the path of development. Our government is continuously striving to bring new infrastructure like roads, bridges, airports, waste management facilities, community centers and other important infrastructures. This is to facilitate the growth of our state. At this moment, I also assure the tourism industry and other industries of our government's full support for overcoming difficulties faced during this pandemic time. With regards to the portfolios held by me, I am striving continuously to make Goa garbage free. constantly improving our existing waste management facilities, also adding new facilities which will cater to the other parts of Goa. I'm happy to inform that biomedical waste facility at Kundai stands 95% complete, with trial rounds of machinery in process. I truly believe that Goa's pristine beauty can only be showcased with a clean and garbage-free Goa. Department of Rural Development has initiated several projects. Some have completed and handed over to respective village panchayats. I'm happy to inform that Shelday cluster worth 30 crore, Goa Bazaar at Merse is worth 17 crore, and Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Gramin Kaushalya Yojana worth 18 crore will be tendered in coming days. Last year, I had instructed my Department of Rural Development to focus on NRLM and come up with a platform for women entrepreneurs. With this thought in mind, today we will be inaugurating a marketing website in the hands of Honorable Chief Minister. This platform will empower 39,000 women self-help groups members to be self-sustained and sell products which they make through this website. I am also monitoring other schemes in Rural Development Department, maximum utilizations of central funds. In my other departments of ports, I am happy to inform that the much delayed because of pandemic, the setting up of maritime school under PPP is almost finalized, and tender for the same will be out shortly. This school will support our youth seeking jobs in the field of maritime throughout the world. I also instructed my Department of Science and Technology to encourage research and also instructed them to undertake GI tagging of remaining several traditional items. I conclude my address with the thought that we don't want only dream about our future, but inspire to scale new heights in the future. We want to move ahead with a dream of being a top, and that is why my dream Goenkas, I want to install a new hope and a new belief in you, because the state can achieve its dream of a beautiful Goa only through you. I once again wish you all a happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Goa.
देव बरें करूं सर. कार्यावळीची सांगता करच्या पयलीं एक अनाउन्समेंट आसा. कार्यक्रम जातकच च्या पाण्याची सोय केल्ली आसा. सगळ्यां लागीं मागता की तांणी त्याचो आस्वाद घेवचो.
परेड यहाँ पे समाप्त होती है. परेड 0 दिन में देने चलेंगे. वेरी गुड.
आयजच्या परिस्थितीत सामोरे जातात त्या अशा महामारीच्या काळात भारताची कामगिरी तर कौतुकास्पद आसाच. अशा परिस्थितीत लेगीत सगळे नियम पाळून हो असो कार्यक्रम घडवून हाडप ही जबाबदारी आणि जिद्द प्रत्येक भारतीयाच्या मनात असता. त्या जिद्दीक सलाम करूनच आयच्या या भारताच्या 75व्या स्वातंत्र्य दिसाच्या सुवाळ्याची हांव सांगता करता.